Once again, I'm going to use all of the trigonometry ratios plus Pythagorean theorem to help me solve problems. So here you had to find the height of this Canadian flagpole, so you had to do some calculations to get x and y and then add them together. Key thing here is the angle of elevation is looking up and angle of depression is looking down. So you're going to come across these things, so get a good understanding how they work. So on the back page here, we have to look at this object here, and they want us to find out the length of P. Alright, so to find out the length of P, I got to find this side here, x. So to find x, I'd say I have an angle, I have hypotenuse, I want to find this, so that's going to be sin A is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So sin A is, replace it with sin 43 is equal to opposite, do not know, hypotenuse is 4.7. Want to get the x by itself, so I'm going to multiply this by 4.7. What I do to one side, I must do the other side. These cancel out, so I'm left with sin 43 times 4.7 is equal to x. Sin 43 is 0.681 times 4.7 is equal to x, but turns out to be 3.2 is equal to x. So this is equal to 3.2. Now I don't have angles here, but to find out P, I can do my Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This is my a, so it's going to be 3.2 squared. I do not know p, b, which is my p, so I'm going to put down as p squared. This is my longest side because it's opposite right angle, that's my c, so that's going to be 3.7 squared. 3.2 squared comes out to be 10.24 plus p squared, and 3.7 squared comes out to be 13.69. I want to get p by itself, so I take this number and I bring it over. Once again, when it crosses the equal sign, it becomes the opposite. Here it's positive, so when it crosses over, it becomes negative. So now I get p squared is equal to 13.69 minus 10.24. P squared is equal to 13.69 minus 10.24 becomes out to be 3.45. I only want one P, so I square it. What I do to one side, I must do the other side. So P is equal to 1.85. So that's the length of P. So stop the tape, take a look at your assignment on your calendar, and have a good day.